Welcome to Iran, a land of enchanting landscapes, ancient treasures, and warm hospitality. With a history dating back thousands of years, Iran offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition. This travel guide will provide you with essential information and must-visit destinations to make the most of your trip to Iran. Visa requirements. Before traveling to Iran, ensure you have a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity remaining. Most visitors require a visa to enter the country. Check with the Iranian embassy or consulate in your home country for specific visa requirements and apply well in advance. Best time to visit. Iran experiences diverse climates due to its vast size. The best time to visit depends on the regions you plan to explore. Generally, spring, March to May, and autumn, September to November, offer pleasant weather throughout the country. Summers can be scorching, especially in the central and southern regions. Transportation. Iran has an extensive transportation network, including domestic flights, trains, and buses. Tehran, the capital, has an efficient metro system. Taxis and ride-hailing services are also widely available. For longer distances, consider domestic flights or overnight trains to save time. Currency and money exchange. The official currency in Iran is the Iranian rial, IRR. However, prices are often quoted in taman, where 1 taman equals 10 rials. It's advisable to carry a mix of cash, local currency, and international debit/credit cards. Money exchange services are available at airports, banks, and exchange offices throughout the country. Language. The official language of Iran is Persian, Farsi. While English is not widely spoken, especially in rural areas, you can find English speakers in major tourist destinations, hotels, and restaurants. Learning a few basic Persian phrases can greatly enhance your travel experience. Must-visit destinations. 1. Tehran. Explore the vibrant capital city, home to the Golestan Palace, National Museum, and Milad Tower. 1. Don't miss the bustling Grand Bazaar and the tranquil gardens of Niavaran and Sadabad. 2. Isfahan. Marvel at the breathtaking Imam Square, visit the stunning Imam Mosque and Sheikh Lotfallah Mosque, and wander through the lively bazaars. 2. The intricate bridges over the Zayandeh River are also worth exploring. 3. Shiraz. Discover the rich history of Persia at Persepolis, the ancient capital. 3. Visit the Nasir al-Mulk Mosque, Aram Garden, and the tomb of the famous poet Hafez. 4. Yazd. Step into a maze of winding alleys in the UNESCO-listed historic city center. 4. Explore the impressive Jami Mosque, Tower of Silence, and wind catchers that define the city's unique architecture. 5. Kashan. Experience traditional Persian architecture at Fin Garden and Tabatabai House. 5. Don't miss the enchanting underground city of Nushabad nearby. 1. Cultural etiquette. 1. Respect local customs and traditions. 1. Dress modestly, particularly in religious sites. 2. Women should cover their hair with a headscarf and wear loose-fitting clothing that covers their arms and legs. 3. Avoid public displays of affection. 4. Follow Islamic customs, such as removing shoes when entering mosques. 5. Ask permission before taking photographs of people, especially women. Safety. Iran is generally a safe country to visit, but it's always important to exercise caution and stay informed about the latest travel advisories. Keep your belongings secure, be aware of your surroundings, and follow local laws and regulations. Cuisine. Indulge in Iranian cuisine, known for its aromatic spices, saffron-infused dishes, and rich flavors. Don't miss these Iranian culinary delights. 1. Chilo kebab, succulent skewered meats, often served with saffron-infused rice. 2. Gourmet sabzi, a flavorful herb stew with tender chunks of meat, kidney beans, and dried lime. 3. Tachin, a mouth-watering saffron-infused rice cake layered with chicken or lamb. 4. Pazenjan, a unique combination of ground walnuts and pomegranate molasses, typically served with chicken or duck. 5. Ash rishte, a hearty Persian noodle soup packed with vegetables, legumes, and herbs. 6. Saffron ice cream, indulge in this aromatic and creamy treat, perfect for cooling off on a warm day. 1. Souvenirs, take a piece of Iran's rich culture and artistry home with you. 1. Consider purchasing. 1. Persian carpets, renowned for their intricate designs and quality craftsmanship. 2. Miniature paintings, delicate hand-painted artworks that depict historical and mythical scenes. 3. Persian ceramics, beautifully adorned pottery and tiles showcasing traditional Persian patterns. 4. Saffron and spices, bring home the flavors of Iran with high-quality saffron and a variety of aromatic spices. 5. Handicrafts, look for exquisite hand-woven textiles, copperware, and traditional musical instruments. Local transportation. 1. Consider hiring a local guide or driver to navigate through the cities and attractions, as they can provide valuable insights and simplify your travel experience. 2. If using taxis, make sure the driver uses a meter or agree on a fare beforehand. Money-saving tips. 1. Bargain in local markets and bazaars to get the best prices. 2. Opt for local street food or small eateries to experience authentic cuisine at affordable prices. 3. Consider staying in budget accommodations or guest houses to save on accommodation expenses. Remember, this travel guide provides a starting point, but always conduct thorough research and consult official sources for the most up-to-date information regarding travel to Iran. Enjoy your journey through this captivating country.